Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. He lived near a forest and cut wood every day. One day he was cutting a tree near a river. Suddenly his axe slipped and fell into the water. "Oh no, my axe!" he cried. "I am very poor. How will I work now?" A fairy appeared from the river. She asked, Why are you crying?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river." The fairy went into the water and brought out a golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." The fairy went again and brought a silver axe. "Is this yours?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine either." Then the fairy brought a simple iron axe. The woodcutter smiled and said, "Yes, this is my axe." The fairy was happy with his honesty. She gave him all 3 axes as a reward. The woodcutter went home happily. Moral: honesty is the best policy.